We guide you through how to link a bank account to PayPal so you can transfer money easily and securely. First thing you need to do is open the PayPal app or visit the PayPal website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to Wallet and select Link a Bank Account. Choose your bank from the list or enter your bank details manually, including your account number and routing number if required. PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity and verify the bank account connection either through instant login or small test deposits. If you receive test deposits, check your bank account, return to PayPal, and enter the amount to confirm. Once the bank is verified, it will appear in your wallet and can be used to send money, receive payments, and withdraw funds directly to your bank anytime.